Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm going to go into my Ipsy. So I actually did something different. I got the Ipsy Plus, so we will see how this one was. I've already tried out all the products and everything, so yeah, that way you can give like a review. But it came in like a pretty big box. They don't give you a bag or anything, it's just the full-size products. So if you want those bags, don't switch to Ipsy Plus. But I already have so many bags, it's okay if I skip out on a few, if I go back or whatever. So yeah, let's just get into the products. So first, I got the Smith & Colt nail polish. This one's kind of like a light pink. It's in Pillow Pie. It's alright. It's kind of a weird packaging though, because the top won't stay on if you try to open it. So you literally have to take this part off, put it somewhere, and then try to paint your nails with just the little tiny thing. And this goes, I have all the prices here. This nail polish goes for $18. So for $18, if I'm going to spend that much, I want the top to at least work. The nail polish itself, the formula is good, so I'm not going to be complaining about that. But it's kind of like a lightish pink color, but it just kind of looks like a nude on nail, so I think it's fine, the formula and everything, but the packaging is just a little bit defective there. Okay, then I got this hydration cream mask, which this alone retails for $33. You can either use it as an overnight mask or as like a 5-minute mask, so I've just tried it as a 5-minute mask because I've never really done an overnight mask and it kind of scares me. So yeah, we just did the 5-minute mask just to make sure my skin wouldn't get angry. So it says it's supposed to hydrate thirsty skin, basically. I don't think it's really worth $33. I much prefer like the sheet mask. I think they give me the same hydration, but if you don't like sheet masks, this is a good cream mask. I feel, I don't know, it's just kind of, you feel hydrated, but it didn't do anything weird to my skin either. I've only tested it out for like a week, but it only says to use twice a week, so I've only tested it out 2 times just to make sure I'm following directions. But yeah, I think it's okay. But I can always update you guys later on. I'm just kind of in between on this one. Okay, and then what I thought was kind of cool was I actually got a Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. This one is in Coral Obsessions. And yeah, this one alone retails for $27. So honestly, that was worth the money for the box. The box is $25 instead of $10 now. But it comes with those shades in there for you. I would say it's decently pigmented. I do like this palette and I'll keep using it, but this is definitely for more of a naturally corally look, because even like the darkest color in here doesn't come off too dark on the eyes. You have to build it up quite a bit. So if you're just going for more of a, at least what I could get out of it is more of a lighter coral instead of like a smoky eye coral. So I think it's nice. The formula blends really nice. It lasts really long. I enjoy it, and I'm glad that I have a Huda Beauty palette now. Up next was actually this little travel kit of brushes from Farah. Yeah. I put them all back in the bag, but they are decently good quality. I dropped one. So you get 5 eyeshadow brushes for, these retail for $48. So that's expensive. But I like these. I think they blend out shadows. They're okay. I'm going to use them as like my travel set kind of thing, because it comes with a lot of fluffy brushes and then like a shader brush right here to kind of get the eyeshadow packed on. So this is more of a good traveling kit for me, so I don't have to bring like 6,000 brushes just to get an eyeshadow look. But I don't think it's worth $48. I feel like it's a good mid $25, $27-ish range for these brushes, but now that I have them, I will use them. And then I got a mascara, and this is from Thrive. And this says it's a liquid lash extension mascara, length and volume, and it has Orchid Stem Cell Complex. So it's supposed to do that to your eyelashes, if you can see it, where the ladies, I don't know, like one doesn't have eyeshadow, one does, so you can't really tell. But her lashes look nice. I'm using this today. I'm actually doing a mascara Monday on it, so that will come out this upcoming Monday. So I'm not going to talk too much about it, but it's definitely like a good quality kind of thing. It's heavy, so if you don't really like heavy mascaras, the wand of this is heavy. And I think the wand itself, you really have to get used to it. But I will definitely give you guys a review Monday, so I'm not really going to go into it. So yeah, but I did get this in the box. Oh, I forgot to add that the mascara is $24. Alright guys, that is everything that I got in my Ipsy box. I think it is worth the $25. I do get my next box, you know, in a couple weeks. But it does take longer, honestly, to ship out. Everyone that has the Ipsy bag gets that first, and then the Ipsy Bag Plus gets theirs second. Because my friend Julia, she got her bag like a week and a half before my box even arrived. So I was kind of upset there because we're paying more, and it has to take longer to arrive to us, so I don't know. But besides that, I do like the products, and I'm going to continue to try it out. Maybe eventually I'll go back to just the Ipsy bag, but I think for now I like the Plus because I actually do get the full-size products, which I do prefer, especially if you're only paying $25 and you get a value of... So the box retails for $150. Sorry, it took time for me to do math. Anyway, and I only paid $25, so I think it's worth it. If you can get put on the list, I was put on the waiting list for like 2 months, but if you can get on the waiting list and try it out, definitely do try it out if you have the money, because I think it's worth it, especially like even the palette itself is still worth more than the box, and you still get all the other stuff, so yeah. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video, which will be Monday, for the Mascara Monday on this mascara, so see you guys then.